everyone, good afternoon, namaste, Jai Hind, and welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. Hello everyone. So we'll continue our series for quantitative aptitude for all BBA entrance exams. Okay, I am Vikas and I will be taking this series on quantitative aptitude. So all important questions of various topic wise we are discussing in this series. Right, so we had time, speed, distance earlier. Now I am starting with ratio and proportion. Okay, very easy, but yet important, very important also. Okay, so ratio and proportion we will discuss today. Okay, we are discussing all important questions for your BBA entrance exams, right? Various BBA entrance exams like IPMAT, CUET, BBA. Okay, then you can have. Okay, other than this, you can have IMPAT also. Okay, so all BBA entrance exam. Okay, focusing majorly on CUET and IPMAT. Okay, but it will cover everything. Okay, so let's start with the questions directly. Right, so agenda is very clear. We will discuss important questions of ratio and proportion today. Right? ओके एंड आप अपने दोस्त लोगों को फ्रेंड्स को भी बता दो कि सेशन स्टार्ट हो गया है. राइट, शेयर कर दिया करो, काइंडली लाइक किया करो, शेयर कर दिया करो. इफ यू लाइक द सेशन यू कैन लाइक, अदरवाइज शेयर पक्का कर दिया करो. ओके, सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर. So first question, a very easy question, but a combination of a ratio plus polygon also, right? So I will tell you something about polygon also, right? And it is given that if ratio of an external and internal angle, okay, right, we generally call it exterior and internal. So you can call exterior angle and internal angle, interior angle of a regular polygon is 1:17. ओके, IPMAT का कोर्स कब लॉन्च होगा? राइट, जल्दी ही करेंगे. ओके, GS गिल, राइट, आपको इंफॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी. आप कंटिन्यू आप टच में रहें, राइट, कनेक्टेड रहें. ओके, सो यू विल गेट द न्यूज. जो भी कोर्सेज आते जाएंगे यू विल कम टू नो, राइट. बट दिस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. दिस विल बी राइट. Okay, this will continue and you can stay connected with this also, right? On our channel we are providing lot of free content also. Okay, let's see here. If 1:17, so he is saying exterior and interior angle, let's say it is x and 17x. Okay, so the total, because exterior plus interior is always 180. Exterior angle and interior angle are always supplementary, right? So the total must be 180. So it is 18x, so x must be 10 degree, right? And my exterior angle is 10 degree. And now number of sides of regular polygon. So I can always say that for a regular polygon, I'm talking about for a regular polygon, each exterior angle is 360 degree by number of sides. Okay, so here exterior angle is 10 degree, so you can say 10 is 360 by n, so n must be 36, right? Sorry, n is not 36 degree but 36. N is the number of sides. So number of sides of the regular polygon in this case, where each exterior angle is 10 degree, it is going to be 36, right? So here we used some concept of geometry also, right? That is for any regular polygon, okay, for any polygon otherwise, right, that interior angle plus exterior angle, right, corresponding exterior angle is always 180. That means interior and exterior are always supplementary. Okay, and for a regular polygon, right, we got this, that exterior angle, each exterior angle is going to be 360 degree by number of sides, right? So these two things we used in this question, right, apart from the ratio. Ratio was given, right, for the exterior and interior angle, so we got exterior as 10 degree, right? Okay, very easy question, but with a combination of geometry, so you must know that things about geometry also. Okay, तो कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ सकते हैं, अदरवाइज लाइक और शेयर करते रहा करो, अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कर दिया करो सेशन को, राइट? ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ओके, ट्राई करेंगे आंसर करने का. So you can try. I'm just waiting for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I will start doing this. Okay, you can do simultaneously also. You can answer right before I can answer. So this is a common question on ratio, right? Ratio when given in equality form, right? Ratio when given in equality form. Yes. So let's see here. Here a sum of 549 is divided among Priya, Preeti and Sonu. So there are three persons. Priya, right? You can just take ABC. Okay, that name doesn't matter. I'm just writing because I'm giving you time to solve it. Okay, so now it is given that 3 times Priya share. Okay, let's say Priya share is X. So 3 times Priya share is equal to 4 times Preeti share is equal to 7 times Sonu share. Okay, let's say it is Z. X, Y, Z I have taken. Okay, it was 7 times. Okay, so I will correct it. It is 7 times Sonu's share. Okay. Now, when equality is given, right, you can take this ratio of X, Y, Z, right, by dividing the LCM. Now LCM 347 would be LCM of 347 would be, because there is nothing common in all three, so it is going to be 3 into 4 into 7. This will be the LCM, right? You can say that it is 84, but I am just telling you, if there are nothing common, all are co-prime, so you can say that the LCM is going to be the product of all, right? And in that case, right, your ratio will become X, you leave 3 and write 4 into 7 here. Y, right, you leave 4 because coefficient was 4, the remaining 3 into 7 here. And for Sonu, leave 7, it will be 3 into 4 here. This will be the ratio. So the ratio becomes 28 is to 21 is to 12. So this is the ratio. This is the ratio of the money divided. Okay. And the total. Now if I say what is the total, I just see the ratio, total of the ratio. 28 plus 21, 49 plus 12, it is 61, right? 61. Now you can take these as, right, you can write these as, right, 28x, 21x, 12x, and the total is 61x, where total is given as 549. Which is 61 into 9. That means X is equal to 9. So he is asking share of Priya, which is this first share. So 28 into 9, that will become 252. So the share must be 252, right? C option must be the correct answer. Right? Okay, so the thing is that here I am just converting the equation form to the ratio. Once you got that ratio, right? Once you got that ratio, okay, now the question is easy because the ratio is there and the total is given. Okay, so if 28 share, 21 share, 12 share, total 61 shares are equal to 549. So what is 28 shares? That is share of Priya. Okay. So कोई डाउट आता है कुछ भी, अगर कोई भी पॉइंट इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, आप लिख के पूछ सकते हैं. सो आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू हेल्प. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट वन. Next one is the ratio between two numbers is 3:4. So super easy question. I think you can answer very fast. It is a super easy question. Quickly answer it. Right? Jaldi se answer kar do. And this kind of question also they are asking in right certain exam easy level question also they are asking. It is not that every question will be a difficult question. Right? कुछ आसान भी होंगे ना, तो आसान क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं. So how to answer that? How to answer that? Okay, you know that the two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. Total must be 490. You can check the answers also. Here total 490, total 490, total 490, total 490. If you see the ratio, it is not a multiple of 3. Cancel. 3 into 7, 4 into 7 is my answer. Right? Or otherwise simply you can say the two numbers are 3x and 4x. The total 7x is equal to 490. So x equal to 70. So that means 3x is 210 and 4x is 280. Right? You can solve it or you can just check the answer. Right? Whether the sum is 490 and the two numbers must be in the ratio 3:4. So very simple question. राइट, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन और जल्दी से आंसर किया जा सकता है. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. राइट, ये काफी सिंपल था बट आपको सिंपल क्वेश्चन भी जल्दी करने आने चाहिए. राइट, सो देन इफ द क्वेश्चन इज इजी, राइट, यस, बी ऑप्शन वर्तिका, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. एंड व्हेन द क्वेश्चन इज इजी, राइट, द टाइम फैक्टर विल मैटर. हाउ फास्ट यू कैन आंसर दैट इजी क्वेश्चन, राइट, दैट विल मैटर. Now this question is again a very easy question, right? Tell me the answer to this. Very easy question again. We are given A is to B, B is to C. The good thing about this is, right, the easy thing about this is that in the both cases B is given same, right? Here also B is given same. So you can actually combine this. Actually, you can combine this that A is B 3:4 and B is to C is 4:7. So both ratios are maintained. So that means you can take 3x, 4x, 7x, and when you are putting A plus B plus C by C, so it is something like 3 plus 4 plus 7 by 7. So it is 14 by 7, which is going to be 2. Which is going to be 2. So this is again a very easy question, right? This was easy because that B part, okay, in the ratios B was same. If it is not same, right, then you need to first combine the ratio. That means making B same in both. Then accordingly A and C will change, right? So you will get a combined ratio A is to B is to C. Then you will apply this A plus B plus C by C. Right, then you can do that. Right? Okay. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Now the question is, okay, it is based on ages, but again an easy question, so you can answer if you can try. Okay, I'm giving you 30 seconds, which is more than enough for this question. Right, so try it. Again a easy level question because he is asking some age of Smriti, no, age of Simran, that too 4 years ago. So be careful while answering. Yes. So after 4 years Smriti age will be 39. So present age of Smriti, you know, Simran and Smriti, their ratio present age is 3:7. Smriti will be, after 4 years Smriti will be 39. That means at present this Smriti is 35. So if 7 into 5, so 3 into 5, Simran must be 15 now. If Simran is 15 now, what was Simran's age 4 years ago? So 15 वाले का 4 year पहले age क्या होगा? 11. 11. So this is a very simple question, right? Because age was directly given. Smriti's age was given, right? Okay, indirectly line was written after 4 years Smriti will be 39. So in fact Smriti's age was given actually. Okay, so that you can put it in the ratio to get Simran's age also, and Simran's age 4 years ago you can answer, right? The other method, right? You must know the other method also. In generally the questions of ages, whenever the questions of ages are there, okay, question जो ages वाले आते हैं, अब उसने पूछा था what was Simran's age 4 years ago. अगर ये 4 साल पहले की एज आंसर में गिवन है तो उसकी प्रेजेंट एज होनी चाहिए इस ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंगली 16, इस ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंगली 17, इसमें 23 और इसमें 15. दिस शुड बी Simran's प्रेजेंट एज अकॉर्डिंग टू द आंसर ऑप्शंस. ओके, बिकॉज 4 years ago का पूछा है आंसर में, तो 4 year बाद यानी प्रेजेंट में क्या एज होगी वो पता है. और सिमरन की एज का रेशियो, प्रेजेंट एज का रेशियो दिया है सिमरन का, which should be a multiple of 3. If it should be a multiple of 3, it cannot be this answer, cannot be this, cannot be this, only this is a multiple of 3. So D option should be the answer, right? More than 90% of the time this trick works, right? ये ट्रिक काम करता है, बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस, 90% से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस में ये काम करता है, राइट? जब भी एज पूछा हो तो वो किसका मल्टीपल होना चाहिए, राइट? दैट यू शुड नो. और उसको आंसर ऑप्शंस में पहले देखो कि उसका मल्टीपल कितने ऑप्शंस है. अगर मोर देन वन ऑप्शन है तो दूसरे को, एक को चेक कर लो, राइट? एक को फिट करके देख लो, दूसरा अगर वो फिट होता है तो वो आंसर, नहीं तो दूसरा आंसर, राइट? ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Now next question is, okay, keep sharing the session also, right? अगर अच्छा लगे तो शेयर करते रहना. Now in a school 10% of boys are equal to 1/4 of the girl. Okay, again a super easy question. I think you should answer these question quickly, right? Super easy question again, बहुत ही ज्यादा easy question. Okay, क्यों? 10% of the boys, 10% of the boys is equal to 1/4 of the girls. तो boys और girls का रेशियो क्या हो गया? 10/4 और 5/2. So boys और girls का रेशियो क्या हो गया? 5/2. Nothing can be easier than this. This is very, very, very simple question, right? Super duper easy question. Okay, good. अगर कोई डाउट लगे तो पूछना, otherwise let's move to the next question. And next question is again a very easy question. If you just know that what is the sum of angles of a triangle, right? If you know sum of angles of a triangle, then this is also an easy question. Okay, Niti, is this the answer of the last question? Okay, what is the answer of 7th question? Vartika, Niti, yes, 6th question's answer was B option. Okay, now come to the question number 7. Okay, you, while answering, you write the question number also, so that I come to know which question you are answering. So here it is, 7th question. And Niti, yes, absolutely, very good, right? Very good. So here it is that you have three angles which are x, 2x and 3x, right? And the total is 180. So that means 6x is 180 or x is 30. That means your angles are 30, 60 and 90, right? So the largest angle is 90 degree, right? Otherwise also we know that 30, 60, 90 is one triangle, one right angle triangle. Okay, the two common right angle triangle which generally come in questions of mensuration or geometry, that is 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90. So 30, 60, 90, I know that it is the ratio 1:2:3, right? So you will get the largest angle as 90. Okay, yes, Vartika, absolutely correct. So let's move to the next question, right? This is again easy question it was. Okay, now, okay, answer this question. Just be careful while answering. It is a simple thing, right? Combining the ratio. The question on combining the ratio. Okay, try answering this, and this is going to be an easy question again, right? If you know how to combine the ratio. Yes, ratio of star to diamond I need to tell. Star to circle we know, circle to diamond we know. Okay, first is given that 1 star is equal to 4 circle, and then it is given 3 circle equal to 4 diamond. So that means here circle, right, to star to circle is 4 by 1, and circle to diamond it is 4 by 3. Okay, so if I write star, circle and diamond, so first I will write diamond, which is 3, so circle must be 4. Now I know that circle star will be 4 times circle, so 4, then 4 times 4, 16. So star to diamond it is 16 is to 3. 16 is to 3. Okay, star is 4 times the circle, and circle is 4 by 3 times diamond. Right? Okay, you can do mathematically also. Right? I am writing in the ratio form. Otherwise, you can do mathematically, that is fraction form. Right? You can do this question like this also, that 1 star equal to 4 circle, whereas 3 circle equal to 4 diamond, means 1 circle is 4 by 3 diamond. So put the value of circle here, right? So star equal to 4 into 4 by 3 diamond. So this will become star by diamond as 16 by 3, right? This is required. Are you getting it? No, 8th, the answer should be C option. 16 is to 3, Niti. Okay, just see that 1 star equal to 4 circle, and then 1 circle equal to 4 by 3 of diamond. So instead of circle, if you put 4 by 3 of diamond, 1 star will become 16 by 3 of diamond, or star by diamond is equal to 16 by 3. Right? Okay, yes, Vartika, C is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, it's okay. To make mistake, it's okay. But the point is that you must learn. Right? You must get it, how to solve it fast. Right? So I told you the method of ratio. I told you the method of this fraction normal. Okay, connecting this, putting the value. Okay, so let's move to the next question, which is on LCM and HCF. Right? LCM and HCF. Okay, so whenever the numbers are given in the ratio form, right, ratio form, and if the ratio is in the simplest form, right, simplest form, okay, so then the product of the ratio, okay, then product of the ratio, okay, that is 5 into 6, that will be, right, 5 into 6. Let's say I am taking the two numbers as 5x and 6x. These are the numbers. Okay, these are the numbers. Then their HCF is going to be x, and their LCM is going to be 30x. That is the product of 5 and 6 into x. So these are your HCF and LCM. So now LCM is given as 480. That means x is 16. So x is 16. So this is your answer. Are you getting it? Whenever you have the ratio of two numbers in the simplest form, multiply that ratio, right, and you will take the two numbers as, let's say, 5x, 6x, right? Ax, bx. Then your HCF is going to be x and your LCM is going to be product into x. Okay, A into B into x, or 5 into 6 into x. Right? Are you getting it? Okay, this is because I have taken 5x, 6x, so both are multiple of x. X is a common factor, so that is highest common factor because 5 and 6 have nothing common. Okay, and LCM must contain everything, so it is also a multiple of x and also a multiple of 5 and 6, so it becomes 30x, which is the lowest common multiple of 5x and 6x. Right? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Next one. I hope you are getting. Okay, now proportional. So there is this word, there is term mean proportion and third proportion. Right? Okay, generally these two terms are used with the two numbers. Let's say A, B, and when you say mean proportion, okay, so mean proportion of A and B is geometric mean type, root AB, right? And when you say third proportion of A and B, okay, is B square by A, right? Is B square by A. Actually, the meaning of mean proportion is, when you say mean proportion, it is that A, X and B are in continued proportion. That means A by X equal to X by B. Hence, you will get X square equal to AB or X equal to root AB. This X is your geometric mean as well as mean proportion. Right? Okay. And when you say third proportion, okay, let's talk about third proportion also. I'm erasing this. Okay, if you talk about third proportion, okay, then it is that A, B and X are in continued proportion. Okay, continued proportion. Now continued proportion means A by B equal to B by X. So you will have X equal to B square by A, right? That is your third proportion, right? And now you got that there are two terms given, right? Two terms given here. So I'm just removing all this, right? This was the explanation why I have written third proportion and geometric proportion, or rather mean proportion simultaneously. So it is given that root AB equal to 16 and B square by A equal to 128. Right? From here I can get AB equal to 256. Right? Now if I know AB equal to 256, can I put A equal to 256 by B? Right? I will put this value here. So it will become B square by 256 by B, which I can take here, right? So that will become B cube equal to 128, which is 2 raised to power 7, and 256, which is 2 raised to power 8. So it becomes B cube is equal to 2 raised to power 15, which is 2 raised to power 5 cube. So B equal to 32, right? So B equal to 32, okay? But it is given that A equal to 256 by B and B is 32, so A must be 8. So if A is 8, B is 32, what is the average of the numbers? So average of the numbers are 8 plus 32 by 2, so that is going to be 20, right? 40 by 2, it is going to be 20, right? So this was a good question, right? Because right, we were given mean proportion and third proportion, and that you should know what mean proportion is, what third proportion is, then you can calculate all this, right? Okay, I hope you are getting all this. और सेशन को शेयर और लाइक करते रहा करो, शेयर करते रहा करो. So let's move to the next one. Now a square and a regular hexagon have the same perimeter. The ratio of their area is, right? Okay, you can, because he's saying same perimeter, you can take any perimeter, right? You can take a perimeter which is multiple of 4 and multiple of hexagon 6, right? So take 4 and 6, what is the LCM? 12. You can take, assume the same parameter as 12 units. That will help you. Why? Because according to this, the side of square will become 3, right? The square will become, that side is 3, and the hexagon, it will become side as 2, because 2 into 6, 12. Right now, hexagon is 6 equilateral triangle of side 2 now. So here ratio of area, here area will become 3 square 9, and here area will become 6 equilateral triangle of root 3 by 4, 2 square. So 2 square 4 cancel, and here 3 into 2, 3 into 3, and if you cancel root 3, it will become root 3 is to 2. Either it will become root 3 is to 2, or it will become 3 is to 2 root 3. So D option is the correct answer, which is 3 is to 2 root 3. Right, D option, right, which you can say that this was 3 is to 2 root 3. I further cancelled with root 3, then it will become this, but this is same. 3 is to 2 root 3 or root 3 is to 2 is one and the same thing. Right? Okay. Area of a square, right? Area of a square, you know, is side square. Side square. And area of a regular hexagon, I'm writing regular hexagon with side, let's say A, it will become 6 into root 3 by 4 side square, right? Which you can cancel and you can write 3 root 3 by 2 root A square, right? Some people write it directly 3 root 3 by 2 A square. I'm writing deliberately 6 into, because 6 equilateral triangle, and the equilateral triangle area is root 3 by 4 A square, right? And the side is 2. Okay, so the answer will be 3 is to 2 root 3, D option. So let's move to the next one. And now the question is, total salary of 3 persons is given. They spend 80%, 85% and 75% if their savings are same. So that means it is given that A's salary, if 80% he spends, so remaining will be 20%, is same as B's 15% because he is spending 85%, is same as C's 25% because he is spending, right, 75%. Now if I cancel that, okay, because it is equal, let's cancel it. 4, 5 into 4, 5 into 3, 5 into 5. So I have 4A equal to 3B equal to 5C. So I can directly say that A is to B is to C. Right, here it is 4. So 3 into 5 I will write here. And here it is 3. So I will write 4 into 5. And C's coefficient is 5. So I will write 3 into 4. So 15, 20 and 12. So A option should be the correct answer. 15, 20 and 12. Right? Okay. Other way of looking at this question is, right, ये question बड़ा easy था. Right? ऐसा तो ये proper method मैंने आपको करवाया. But अगर ये ना करते, now what happened? See, that he is saying their savings are same. Saving तो same है. Right? तो जो कम स्पेंड करेगा, राइट, उसकी सेविंग ज्यादा होगी, राइट, परसेंटेज में. ओके, वर्तिका, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज, if A is spending 80%, So he is saving 20% and B is spending 85%, so saving 15%, and C is spending 75%, so saving 25%. Right? अब देखो, these are given equal because their savings are same. Their savings are same. Now the thing is, you can directly answer this question because B's 15%, right? B's less percent is equal to higher percentages of other. That means B should be maximum. B should be the highest. Because सोचो ना, B का सिर्फ 15% A के 20 या C के 25% के इक्वल है, तो B का 15% भी उनके इक्वल है, तो B ज्यादा है. Right? So B must be maximum. तो B must be maximum. देखो यहां सम में 15, 20, 12, 15, 12, 20, 15, 20, 12, 15, 12, 15, 20 हर एक में यही है. तो 20 should be the maximum, should be in the mix B. Right? Okay, I'm not writing here. B should be 20. B cannot be lesser. Cannot be lesser. So these option gone. After that, A's 20% is equal to C's 25%. That means A should be greater than C. A should be greater than C. So A should be greater than C. So A option is the correct answer. This is also gone. Otherwise, this was the ratio, right? What I solved, I actually solved it, right? I solved it using, okay, simple method. Okay, first you cancel this. 5 into 4, 5 into 3, 5 into 5. So it becomes 4A equal to 3B equal to 5C, right? Now you can take this as K. So A becomes, now A becomes, if I take ratio, A becomes K by 4, B becomes K by 3, C becomes K by 5, right? So in the ratio K will get cancelled, and if you multiply all the ratio by the LCM, the ratio will not change. So it will become 4 into 15, 3 into 20 and 5 into 12. So this is the ratio 15, 20, 12. A option is the correct answer. Right? Okay, otherwise you can see the video again. If you want that first method, the second method, you can see the video again. Okay, just go through. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment of the video. Comment section. Now when the video will be, this class will be over, you can put it in the comment section, right? And keep liking the section, put your comments in the comment section, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel, okay, to get, and press the bell icon to get the updates. Okay, so see you in the next session. Bye bye, namaste, jai hind, thank you, bye bye, thank you.